Hi folks, my name is Ken.Quick. It's my pleasure today. Welcome to Guaranty RV. We're going to show you a 2019 Newmar 3226 Bay Star coach. Great coach. First thing you're going to notice here is you got a king size bed, window in the back, windows on both sides of the bed, and lots of closet space here. Great big one there. We've got drawers underneath for storage. Big TV right up above. We're going to move on out. We've got a privacy door here for the bedroom. Okay, as we move out here, lots of storage right back in here. So this is kind of a hidden little cubby, goes back in a long ways. Right here we've got more storage here. Refrigerator across the hall with an ice maker. Everything you need right there. Over here we've got a large bathroom, large vanity, greatly set up for this coach. This is a great little setup. We've got a pantry right across from the kitchen, makes it real handy. Corian countertops, microwave convection oven, good size too. You can put a small turkey or chicken in there. You got plenty of counter space here with a little window, which is nice to have. All these drawers down below, even a little scrubby drawer right there. Across from the kitchen, you've got an eye-level TV. You've got a ton of storage compartments under here. This table actually goes into here and will extend out to two different positions. Two more chairs underneath the bed in case you have friends in or take somebody along with you. Nice counter space. More storage up above here. Here's your couch for if you take grandkids with you or friends and enjoy everything that Oregon and the Northwest has to offer. In fact, all the way across the United States and Canada. If we move into the cockpit area, auto leveling, cruise control, all the bells and whistles. Little desk for your co-pilot right here. It's always nice. TV up front. Really a nice appointed coach here. Let's go outside and take a look at the storage. So this coach is equipped with an electric awning. It has backup cameras, side cameras, Triton V10, cover on the awning to protect it from the sun. What I really like about these slides when they fit flush like that, it's not a rubber gasket being pushed against the wall. It's flush inside there, so when you're driving down the road, the rain is going over the top and is much less likely to ever have a leak. All right, so let's move down here, take a look at some storage. Big storage compartment right here. These are side opening doors. That's a great way to go. Makes it a lot easier. More storage here. That's one big long compartment. So if you got golf clubs or skis or whatever, fits right there. Here's a water tank, but you still have some storage on the side. Great gaskets on these. On this coach, on a Bay Star, you get an upgraded generator, 5500 awning generator. All these sensors are on the outside of the tanks so that you get a good true reading. Back here you can look all the way across. Got room to put things that are long in the back of this. Okay, all set up for towing. You've got a backup camera here. Here's your ladder. 50 amp cord on this coach. Cable hookup in case you're at a campground that has cable TV. Spot for your sewer hose, gas tanks right there. More storage here. Clean out bay with a shower, water filter for the coach. You know, you got your black tank rinse. We had a little dust storm come through here, so a little bit dirty, but they clean up just fine. We got a great crew here that gets them all detailed for delivery. More storage. More storage. You can't ever have too much. That's just continued one long section there. Great big propane tank here. Allows you to be out in the middle of nowhere for a long time. Frameless windows, toppers on the slides. Here's your side camera. This coach has alloy wheels, 22.5s. Really drives nice. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach, give the coach a call. That's me. Ask for Coach at 208-250-8625. Thank you. It's been a pleasure. Have a great day.